Hello friends, welcome to our channel Anant Infinite Knowledge. Today's our word root is ana, which means up, back, against, throughout. Our first word is anatomy, which means the scientific study of the physical structure of an animal or plant. A careful examination of a situation. For example, a detailed anatomy of a society and its institutions. Remember this word by relating this picture here. This picture shows human anatomy. Our next word is anachronism, which means something that is no longer suitable for or relevant to modern times. For example, she regards the marriage ceremony as a quaint anachronism. Remember this word by relating this picture here, ancient war between two dynasties. Our next word is anagram, which means word or phrase that you can make from another word or phrase by putting the letters in different order. For example, mean is an anagram of name. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, listen and silent having same letters but letters arranged in different order. Our next word root is andro, which means man, male. Our next word is androgynous, which means an androgynous person is neither clearly male nor clearly female. An androgynous animal or plant has both male and female parts. For example, when looking at Krish, it's hard to tell whether you are seeing a male or a female, leading people to believe that Chris is an androgynous. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, it's difficult to identify whether person is male or female. Our next word is android, which means a machine that looks and behaves like a human. For example, a space station inhabited only by androids. Remember this word by relating this smartphone picture. Our next word is misandry, which means hatred towards men. For example, someone believes that institutionalized misandry doesn't exist due to patriarchy. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, girl behaves very rudely. Our next word is androcentric, which means focused or centered on men. For example, I would like to consider the dominant role of men in an androcentric patriarchal society. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, the dominant role of men in every activity. Our next word root is anim, which means life, spirit. Our next word is animate, which means to make someone or something more lively, active, or interested. For example, sport was the only thing that really animated him. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, man is flying in the air to move one place to another place, or imagine a TV show, Junior Z or a Shaktiman. Our next word is animosity, which means a strong feeling of disliking someone or something. For example, there is no personal animosity between them. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, elephant and horse is fighting. Our next word is equanimity, which means of balanced spirit. For example, she accepted both the good and the bad with equanimity. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, stone is stacked in balanced way.